Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
As per the member secretary, which is PWD department roles, they have mentioned that there are 24 accident prone zones notified by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. 24 such black spots. And this is all over Goa. So he has to bring me the bifurcation. That direction was given to him. So education department was given the direction that we have to circulate these books which have been prepared by ministry and also through the traffic. We have these road safety books which needs to be included in the curriculum from 5th to 8th standard. So we are trying to include this as part of our early learning within the curriculum of 5th to 8th standard in all the schools. What was observed in the meeting was also that a lot of compliances are pending in terms of zebra crossings and in terms of signages to be put up. So again, being the second road safety committee meeting, I have given a direction that all such pendencies must be complied. Since the notifications were issued from the district magistrate, our office, I have also given direction to my section to compile such pending compliances.
पणजे जिल्हाधिकाऱ्याच्या अध्यक्षतेखाला रोड सेफ्टी कमिटीची दुसरी बसका झाली. एक्साइज खात्याचे अधिकारी बसकेक पावले ना.
There are a couple of instructions to them. One is regarding putting don't drink and drive messages in all the bars and in prominent places, which was an instruction that was issued in the previous meeting also. That was the first meeting. And again, it was issued again in this meeting also. Although their absence was felt in the meeting, we will issue those instructions in the form of a separate letter also.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकर.